Hey guys, it's me again. In today's video, I'm going to recommend you guys the top 10 must-have app for Android tablet. So without further ado, let's get started with the first app. The first app that I'm going to introduce you is actually the app called Google Translate. I find this app very useful when you are going to other country and which you don't know their language and whatsoever. So I'll give you a sample of how accurate is the of this Google Translate. So I'll be translating from English to Chinese. So I'm going to type hello, how are you? And let's see what it translates to. Okay, so it translates pretty good. You say 你好,你怎么样? Okay, which is pretty good in the translation. And what is really cool is that there is actually a function whereby you will actually speak out the word, so you know how to read the word. So let's have a look. I'm going to on the volume so you can hear it.
你好，你怎么样?
So as you can see, you actually read out to you. So if you don't know how to read the word, you can just use this Google Translate and let them listen. Yeah, which is pretty good. Yeah, so this is the app called Google Translate. I hope you guys like it. The next app that I'm going to show you guys or recommend it to you guys is actually an app called Plume for Twitter. Plume is basically a Twitter app whereby you can see all your Twitter news and all those things. You can see that it's separated into 3 columns. One is your Twitter tweets, all the tweets that people tweet, and all the tweets is over here, and all the mentions of your name is over here, and personal message. Yeah, or direct message you call it. So which is very organized, as you can see. And you can use this app to retweet tweets, obviously, and which is pretty good. What I actually like about this is actually the widgets. It actually has Twitter widgets with this app, as you can see. This is the Plume for Twitter widgets. You can from here. You can straight away tweet about something by tapping here, and you can type about something. So maybe I'm type I am making a video, and you can send it from here. So send, which is pretty good. And you can view all the mentions over here also, which is very good. So this is the app. Called Plume for Twitter. I hope you guys like it. The next app that I'm going to show it to you guys is actually an app called Flashlight. This app only works if your tablet or your phone have the LED flashlight behind. It also can work for those without LED flashlight. You can use your screen as a light source. Over here, when you open this up, you can see that this is the place where you on the LED light behind. You can actually see I already on the LED light, which is pretty cool. There are many other functions too. You can tap on the circle over here and you can have different function. You have the basic torchlight, which is the LED light, and this is the part whereby you can use your phone screen to actually light up the brightness. So you can use the brightness by tapping on here. I mean, you can use the screen as your torchlight by tapping on that. So you can see it's very bright, and you can off it by tapping the middle. There is actually a switch in the middle, which is pretty cool. You also have the police light and some other light. This is the police light, which is also pretty cool. And also the light bulb. You can change color by swiping like this, and you can make it brighter or dimmer by doing this, which is also pretty cool. And you can also have the flash gun. Okay. So with the flash gun, you can set the time of it flashing. So you can see it's flashing. If I actually increase it from here, you can see that it will blink faster. If I increase both of them up, it's very fast, which is quite cool to me too. So anyway, this is the app called what's this app called? This is the app called Flashlight. I hope you guys like it. The next app that I'm going to recommend to you guys is actually an app called the Currency Converter. I find it super useful or very useful when you actually go overseas. So you can change from different, maybe you are a Singaporean and you want to change euro to Singapore dollar, you can use it. Or maybe you are shopping on eBay and and the pricing is US dollar, you can change it to Singapore dollar by using this app. And the currency is updated to the latest one, which is pretty good. We have lots of country that you can choose from. You click over here and this is the list of different dollars, call it. Yeah, so this is the app called the Currency Converter. I hope you guys like it. The next app that I'm going to show it to you guys is actually a dictionary app. This is basically the dictionary.com app, which requires 3G to run. So yeah, you have some different you have coolings over here. The coolest thing is the daily thing. The daily thing basically actually tell you actually it's like something like the word of the day. And so today the word of the day is late, something like that, elate or whatsoever, and it will tell you some of the things below. Yeah, so if you want to know more about the word, I think you can type it and it will bring you to the word, and you have the definition over there, which is very good. And you can search word by just typing over here and you can search for the word. So this is the app called Dictionary by dictionary.com. I hope you guys like it. The next app that I'm going to show it to you guys is actually an app called Lightbox. Lightbox is basically a photo editing software and an app for you to share your photo online. So once you open this up, you can see the feed of your friend and your photo updates. So one of my friends actually uploaded a photo which will be shown here, and those are the photos that I upload from this phone or tablet. So as you can see, this is some of the photo is taken by me, like this photo. Yeah, and if you swipe here, you have your photo gallery. All the photos that you have taken will be uploaded into the Lightbox webpage, and you can view it from here. And you can share it on Facebook and many more. If you want to take a photo straight away, you just tap on over here and it will launch your camera app. So to take a photo is pretty easy, just take it as per normal. So I've taken a photo and you can actually edit it. So let me show it to you guys. You have different effects over here, lots of them, and you can choose an effect that you want. For example, I want to choose the Lomo effect. Just tap on Lomo and you can apply it, and below there are different more functions, crop and everything else. Once you're done, just click the green color thing, which is OK. And yeah, you can share it on Twitter, Facebook and Tumblr. You can just add them all over here, as you can see, and you can just straight away upload this if you want to. I'm not going to upload because this photo is just a sample photo. So you can even tag where you take this photo by clicking here, and it will show the location nearby, which is pretty good. So this is the app called Lightbox. I hope you guys like it. So the next app that I'm going to show you guys is actually a game called Plumber. So without further ado, let me open Plumber up. So once you start, you can play a game or learn how to play. As you can see, I'm just going to tap on play now and choose the stage 1. Basically, what you need to do is make sure that when you on this tab, the water can flow to this pipe. So it's actually a puzzle game, so I'm going to try to solve it right now. So as you can see, I'm trying to solve it. Okay, my battery is going low, but anyway, I'm going to finish this game and show it to you guys. So I've actually done the puzzle. You can see it's going to flow like this to here, and yeah. So once you're done, you're just going to turn on the tap by tapping onto it, and the water will flow. So this is the end of stage 1, and here comes the stage 2. Every stage will make the game harder and harder, so it's very challenging. So anyway, this is the game called Plumber. I hope you guys like it. The next game that I'm going to show it to you guys is actually a game called GTA 3. This GTA 3 is basically like the GTA that you play on your computer or PSP. This is the Liberty City. So let me open up this app first. Once you open GTA 3, you can see that there are different functions for you to tap on. You have resume, resume, start game, status, states, briefs, options and quick game. Under resume basically allow you to resume on the game that you are playing that you did not save, and you can resume by tapping here. Under start game, you can click here and you can load the game that you have saved. As I already saved one of the game, I just want to tap onto it and I can play it. I can start the game. So as you can see, the loading is pretty fast, and yeah, let's go on to the game and see how smooth it is. Yep, so it has finished loading, and as you can see, I'm doing a mission right now. So this is a skip this, and yeah, so this is actually a paid game, as there's obviously, and you can see that the character looks, oh okay, there's a glitch here or a bug here. But anyway, the control is pretty simple. This is the directional pad, jump, run, and this is the punch, and then or so-called attack button. This is to get in the car, and this actually changed the view. So let me just get in the car to show you guys that this is a pretty good game. As you can see, with this type of graphic, it looks like those looks realistic to those in the PS3. Not PS3, like the PSP. And as you can see, the graphic is pretty good and it's pretty smooth. Yeah, so as you can see, you can knock onto things, go on to killing spree, killing people, and many things. And the car can explode if you want it to, and you can catch fire. So anyway, you can bang onto people and kill them. Yeah, this is the typical GTA 3 that you played before on other devices. So this is a game called GTA 3. I hope you guys like it. The next app that I'm going to show you guys is actually an app called the Scientific Calculator. This app is freaking awesome. Can see how freaking big is this calculator? I think that it's super big. You have all the functions that you need for doing math, and you can see, you can type everything over here, and it's very smooth. So anyway, this is the Scientific Calculator app. You can see the arrow over there. So I hope you guys like this app, and hopefully find it useful. And so this is the realistic scientific calculator, and I'm going to show it to you guys. The last app that I'm going to introduce you is actually the app called the Sketch and Draw. So let me open this up. So once you open this up, it looks like this, and it's most likely used in portrait mode. So let me zoom this out. You can see my tripod over here. Yep, so yeah, this is drawn by me using this app called Sketch and Draw. As you can see, the mouse is actually so much smaller than the hand or finger. Yeah, so I know I suck at drawing. As you can see, if you have a mouse, the finger will be much more bigger than the finger will be much more smaller than the mouse. But over here it looks big. So anyway, if you click here, you have all the different functions. Over here, you can change the color of your pen. Over here, you can choose the color of, not the color, the type of type of pencil that you're using, or sketchy and everything else. And over here, you have the size thing. I think, is it something like that? I don't know. Anyway, sorry, I pressed the wrong one. Over here is the up down 100%. I don't know what is that also. I never tried it. And on the top over here, okay, I just bring it up. Okay, over here you basically start a new piece of blank page, and over here you can save your artwork, and there are many more things which you can play with it. So this is the app called the Sketch and Draw, which I hope you guys will like it and find it useful. Yeah, so this is my favorite top 10 Android apps and Android games for Android tablet. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video useful. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to give me your support, because sometimes my videos don't get a lot of views, and I wonder if any of you guys find my video useful. So anyway, I hope to see you guys in the very near future.